Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Hope you are guys doing well. Now today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Capital One account online on your PC. If you guys are new here, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon for getting notification from our channel. Let's start right now to log into your Capital One account online on your computer. First open up your preferred browser and I have already opened the Google Chrome, and now on the search bar click over there and type in the address capitalone.com and hit on enter. It will take you to the official website of Capital One. Now we can still log into your account from over here directly, which is the username and password. We'll be clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Let's go. And you can see guys, this is the more detailed view of login phase of Capital account. Now to log into your Capital One account from over here, it will be required to enter your username like this and similarly enter your password like this, which you have registered Capital One at the time of creating your account. Click on remember me for further use, but I suggest you guys don't click on that square box if you are using public computer. Once you click on sign in button, you will able to access your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, just click on forgot username and password. This much for today. If you guys found this video informative, just comment down below. It will give us motivation to make more video. Thank you so much for watching.